Taal Volcano is a large caldera filled by Taal Lake. It is the second most active volcano in the country. The Taal Volcano has its own lake inside its crater called the Crater Lake, which makes it a unique geologic wonder. And the Taal Volcano is the smallest active volcano of the world. So sit back, relax while I show you the panorama of the Taal Lake and volcano from the vantage point of the Tagaytay Ridge in Tagaytay, the province of Cavite. God bless. The panorama of Laguna Province from People's Park here in Tagaytay. Ang ganda nga. Panoramic view of the other side of People's Park. We're not even at the end yet. And this is the Taal Lake, but the Taal Volcano is not visible. The Taal Lake is behind me, but the Taal Volcano is not visible. Eh, syempre! Yan. Those are my nieces, Lindsay and LeBron, and that's my nephew, Jay. Another view from another side of the People's Park.
Dali, dito, dali, pasok daw niya. Dali.
We are now on top of the viewing deck. It's so windy and the wind is very cool. So even if the weather is hot, it's very cool. Ay, there's a bee! Another view of the another side of the People's Park. May pineapple na naman dito. This is the viewing deck. And the Taal Lake again behind us. The Taal Volcano. Umuusok ang Taal Volcano. There. Taal Volcano is smoking. The Taal Lake, and Taal Volcano. And the Taal Volcano is not smoking today. There's the Taal Volcano here on Taal Lake.